In the dynamic landscape of project management tools, Smartsheet has carved out a unique niche. It cleverly blends the familiar interface of a spreadsheet with robust project management capabilities, offering a powerful platform for planning, tracking, automating, and reporting on work. Given its versatility and popularity, a common question arises for individuals and small teams looking to optimize their operations without breaking the bank. Can I get Smartsheet for free? As a project management expert, I've seen countless teams try to leverage free tools or stretch the capabilities of basic software. When it comes to Smartsheet, the answer to "can I get it for free?" is a bit of a mixed bag, requiring a nuanced understanding of their pricing model and what free truly entails. The short answer, yes, with caveats. You can access Smartsheet for free in a couple of scenarios, but these typically come with significant limitations compared to its paid versions. These free options are generally designed for free trials. Smartsheet offers a generous free trial. Free collaborator access. If you're invited to collaborate on a sheet by a paid Smartsheet user. Legacy free plans, limited availability historically. Smartsheet had a very limited free plan, but its availability and features have been significantly curtailed or discontinued for new signups. Let's delve into each of these to clarify what you can expect. 1. The Smartsheet free trial, your best bet for exploration. This is arguably the most common and effective way to experience Smartsheet's full capabilities without an upfront cost. What it offers. Smartsheet typically provides a 30-day free trial. Crucially, this trial gives you access to features found in their business plan, which is one of their more comprehensive tiers. This means you can create numerous sheets, utilize various views, grid, Gantt, card, calendar, build dashboards, generate reports, use forms, and experiment with basic automations. You can also invite collaborators to experience the platform with you. Who it's for. This trial is ideal for individuals, project managers, or teams who are actively evaluating Smartsheet as a potential solution. It allows you to test drive features, see if its spreadsheet-like interface and advanced functionalities truly fit your team's workflow and project complexity. Assess collaboration. Understand how your team interacts within the platform. Build proof of concept. Create a few real-world sheets or dashboards relevant to your projects to demonstrate value internally. Limitations. Time limited. After 30 days, the trial expires. Read-only conversion. If you don't upgrade to a paid plan, any sheets you created during the trial will become read-only for a limited period, often 30 days, after which they may be deleted. You won't be able to create new work or edit existing work. No credit card required upfront. A big plus is that Smartsheet typically does not require credit card information to start the trial, making it a truly commitment-free exploration. From a project management standpoint, the free trial is invaluable. It's like a full access pass to a professional gym. You can use all the equipment, see if it helps you achieve your fitness goals, and then decide if you want to become a member. 2. Free collaborator access. Viewer or editor, not creator. This is the most common way a large number of users interact with Smartsheet for free in a continuous manner. What it offers. If someone with a paid Smartsheet license, an owner or licensed user, shares a sheet, report, or dashboard with you, you can access it as a free collaborator. Depending on the permissions granted by the sheet owner, you can often view data, see all information on the sheet, edit rows/cells, update task statuses, change due dates, add comments, upload attachments to rows, if allowed, fill out forms, submit data through Smartsheet forms, view dashboards and reports, access real-time insights shared with you. Who it's for. This is perfect for team members who primarily need to update their tasks or provide input on shared project plans. Stakeholders or clients who need to view project progress, provide feedback, or approve deliverables without needing to create their own sheets. External collaborators who are part of a project but don't require full Smartsheet licensing. Limitations. Cannot create new sheets. As a free collaborator, you cannot initiate new sheets, reports, or dashboards. You are limited to interacting with content that has been shared with you. Limited features. You don't have access to administrative controls, advanced automations, specific integrations, or the full suite of features that a licensed user would. Dependent on a paid user, your access is contingent on the licensed user maintaining their paid subscription and sharing permissions. This model is a strong selling point for Smartsheet, as it facilitates broad collaboration across an organization, even if only a subset of users are licensed. 3. Legacy free plans, phasing out/limited. Historically, Smartsheet offered a very basic free plan for individual users. This plan typically allowed for a very limited number of sheets, e.g. 2 sheets, a few editors, and basic views. Current status. Based on recent information, Smartsheet has largely discontinued or significantly restricted its widely available free plan for new signups. While existing users on these legacy plans might still have them, new users are generally directed towards the 30-day free trial or encouraged to become a free collaborator. Why the change? This shift is common for SaaS, software as a service companies as they mature. Maintaining a truly free forever tier with even limited features can be costly. By focusing on trials and paid subscriptions, they can invest more in product development and support for their paying customers.